Hello friends, welcome to another episode of my quick review and unboxing videos. This time I will talk about the Italeri's 1:72 scale Saab JAS 39 Gripen multi-role fighter. The model belongs to the cheaper ones on the market. Let's check out why. First of all, this kit is a 2011 rebox of the Italeri kit from the beginning of the 2000s. The plastic is a little softer, but this happens often with Italeri. The moldings are decent. A few details are missing, but it's an old kit, so I will take it as an excuse. Either way, if you want the model look much better, you will need to modify it with some homemade scratch build or other accessories. I will definitely upgrade it. The kit includes a weapons load of 2 RBF-15 multi-purpose missiles, a center fuel tank, jammer pod, 2 AGM-65 air-to-surface missiles, and AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles. The clear pads look very nice. The cockpit canopy is from 2 pieces, so you can build your model with an open canopy. The moldings also include a heads-up display and parts of the Maverick missiles. The instruction manual is nicely drawn. On the first page is a short history of the aircraft, and on the second page is a color converter for Model Master and Italeri acrylic paints. The instructions are divided into 8 work steps, and every work step is clearly readable and easy to follow. I remember this kit. I built it as a teenager, so I already know what to watch out for. Some parts didn't fit well. Here and there I had to fill it up with lots of putty. I will soon find out where. In this kit, you can choose from 4 paint schemes: a Czech Air Force Gripen placed in Čáslav Air Base, a Royal Swedish Gripen from Kalina Air Base, then an Hungarian Gripen placed in Kecskemét, and a South African Gripen placed in Waterkloof Air Base. The waterslide decals look amazing. They include insignias and identification numbers, technical stencils, decals for a fake cockpit, and weapons. Okay, that's enough for this quick review. The model looks quite decent, and I'm looking forward to build it right away. I will try to upgrade it to look much more interesting. Thank you for watching guys, keep modeling and see you next time. Bye!